morning! So we are getting ready to go and check out. We are going to...
California!
Yay!
Yo!
So nagkakarga na ang mga persons sa car. So nagche-check na lang kami kung may naiwan. Yan na sila. Wala nang laman dito. Wala na rin ditong laman. Basura na lang. And wala nang laman. Okay. Let's go. So ayun na nga guys, we're leaving. Nag-check out na kami. We're just leaving the hotel. And we just have a few stops along the way, and then we're off to Cape Ringa. Ayun. And then the bakers are on the lead today. So yung weather dito guys sa Pahiya ngayon is already rainy. Actually, it's starting to spit. Ayan oh. So sakto lang yung alis namin, and then in Cape Ringa the weather is windy, sort of sunny and windy today, and tomorrow 100% rain. So okay lang kasi at least today naman namin nakaschedule yung sun dunes. So ayun, let's go. So nag quick pit stop lang kami guys sa Caltex while bago lumabas ng Pahiya, kasi dito 3.33 per liter lang. Hindi lang, mahal pa din, but better. Yung White Tomo kanina 3.38. So baka mas mahal na doon sa pupuntahan namin, di lang natin alam, para sure. So yun. Meron din silang Woolies. Ayan oh, yung Woolies nila. Yan lang yung grocery nila dito guys. As in, maliit lang talaga siyang town. Walang pack and save, walang New World, basta Woolies lang. Oh, maliit din na Woolies. At least meron. But it's a cute little town, and the bakers are there. Ayun sila, nag-iintay. Hi, Elle.
Hi.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know.
Busy siya, guys. Na siya pakialam. Ay, nako. Windy daw dun sa pupuntahan namin. Ayoko pa naman ng wind. Sa lahat, ayaw ko ng wind.
This one? Yeah, I think so.
Cooper's Beach, guys. Stopovers. It's so nice.
Sila.
Nako, ayun na agad. Ayun na sila.
Hindi yan kagaya nung kahapon.
guys, 14 minutes away na lang kami to our next stop, which is Kaitaya. That's the last major town before Cape Ringa. And wala ka, ang makikita mo palang farm. Ganun talaga dito minsan, kahit 4 minutes na lang, walang sight of the town. Oh, see? Puro bakahan pa, parang wala namang syudad na nakikita. 14 minutes away. Oh, ayan, 6 minutes to go. Wala pa rin. Ay, ano ba ito? O, diba? But ang speed limit from 80, now we are decreasing to 50, so probably town na ito. At welcome to Awanui. There you go. Medyo meron naman ng mga konting mukhang pataw na din naman tayo.
May dialysis
3 minutes away, guys. Naman ang 3 minutes away. Oh. Wala pa din. Asa na yung town dyan? Ganito talaga.
May session dito pero may dialysis.
Nagtatanong sila, guys, kung may ospital ba dito. Ano daw? Ayun na, guys. Welcome to Kaitaya. So ayun na, ito na yung town nila. 1 minute away. Town na ito, ha. Oh. McDonald's stopover. Ayan sila, oh. Solo.
Yeah. Neighbor! Come! Neighbors! Yes? What are you doing? What are you doing, neighbor? I'm gonna visit you.
Ayan, oh. Feeling mga ano.
Neighbor, I thought you were here some...
Andito na kami, guys, sa Cape Ringa. We can see the lighthouse. Akala namin, guys, yun na agad. Car park lang pala yun. Meron pa palang 5 to 10 minute walk. Pero ang ganda ng view. Busog na busog ang mata. Yan, oo. Ellie, hold your hat. Anong meron dyan? Ayan na, guys, ang dulo ng New Zealand. Wala na, Tasman na ata ito. Oh. Dulong dulo. Dito lang tayo bili ng lupa. Mura dito. Wala nga lang DHB dito, guys. Oh. Eto na siya. Bring another lighthouse off our list. Ano to? London, Sydney, Tokyo, papuntang Bluff, South Pole. So ito na yan. Hi, Papa. Bilis yung maglakad.
Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Can you stop that? Okay. Okay, we're at 6-7. Where are we at again, Mommy?
Cape Ring.
We're at Cape Ringa and the 6-7 lighthouse. And this is the big lighthouse. Vlogging, it's for our channel. So, I'm a little bit tired, but yeah, me too. I woke up just 10 minutes ago and I was so tired.
Balik na kami guys kasi mag-alauna na. Alauna na ata. Let's go!
1:30.
1:30 na pala. Ellie, come on. Oy. Let's go back. Pabalik na kami guys. Hiningal na ang mga persons kasi naman naka-proper footwear. Improper. Ang isa naka-crocs, ang isa naka-Uggs. Hindi, ang sakit sa paa. Ay. Tara. Ay, kating push na lang. Naiwan na kaming dalawa. So, tapos na kami guys sa Cape Ringa. May pupuntahan kaming camp kasi dun sa Cape, walang toilet. Sira. So, this is 5 minutes away. There's a campground. Taputa camping area. So, meron dong toilet. And we magba-bladder break kami, snack break, lunch break, and everything before we continue. Pero hindi kami ni-inform. Off-road pala ito. So, 5 minutes pa. Iihi lang, magdadrive ka pa ng 5 minutes. Sige lang, ginusto natin to. O, ayan. Off-road ang labanan. Ayan. We are 600 meters away sa campground. Pero grabe yung view. Oh, it's giving. Uy, sarap naman dito. Sana lang may toilet dito. Talaga.
Sa dagat daw.
Sa dagat na lang, diretso na lang guys. You know, when desperate moment hits. Meron nga, may campgrounds nga, okay. Ito na yung campgrounds. Maganda naman pala, oh. Sa likod ni Wally tayo. Okay, dito tayo sa likod ni Walimar.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold.
So, tapos na kami rest and lunch. So, pupunta na kami sa Sand Dunes, which is a few minutes away from here. And sinusulit na lang namin yung last day na maaraw araw kasi I think tomorrow there's a forecast that yung ano daw, North New Zealand will be very very wet. So ayun, at the moment, ayan, sobrang sunny. It's sobrang init actually. Actually nakakatempi yung tubig pero sobrang lakas ng hangin. Nakakaano din. Ang lamig. So ayun, busog na ang lahat. Guys, andito na kami sa sand dunes, pero pagdating namin, tingnan nyo naman, oh, umuulan na ng bongga. Hindi namin alam kung titigil pa to. Naku, excited pa naman yung mga boys.
Babe, natatakpan.
Nagsasandals na sila guys para tumigil, oh. Para tumigil yung alan. Gusto nyo naman. Pero parang ala, oh, pinagbibigyan dahil parang umiinit. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, let's go na. Effective yung pasandals ni Wally, ah. Oh. Ready na sila.
Yeah!
Guys.
Oh.
Ayan na sila. Masaya na, Sige, go! Sige, slide!
Not that way.
Oh, ayan, oh, guys. Close your mouth, ha, while you're sliding down. The sand will go to your...
Ganun man kasi. And this one,
Ay, naku talaga balong! Tawa ka sa sarili mo, no? It's almost 5:30 PM guys. Tapos na kami sa sand dunes. And pagoda na ang mga first sons. We are on the way to our accommodation, which is, I think we have 39 minutes more. Yeah. And we will spend the night there. have arrived, guys, for our home for the night.
Finally.
Ayan na, finally.
Sorry na makalat. Bigyan mo naman
Ano
yung
namin kung saan kami pupunta?
Naligaw pa kami. Kala namin, napunta kami
video mo.
sa bahay ng drug lord. May clip ka nun?
Oo, video ko sa kanya.
O sige, papakita ko, hingin ko kay Kare. Parang bahay ng drug lord.
Portrait.
Balong, hindi siya basta-basta.
Medyo masukal po yung aming daanan dito sa aming titirhan. So, naway makarating kami sa aming patutunguhan. Ooh, look at the sunset. That's really nice. Ay, na yung sunset, guys. Oh, di ba? Pero kami ay nandito pa rin sa daan na ito. Kami ay look at that sunset in a what is this is it this is it hello ito yon. Ano nangyayari? Ano nangyayari?
Oh, mali, mali.
Papa.
Dali. Saan siya pupunta?
Babalik siya, babalik.
Hey, yeah, look, look. Even though it's a single, even though it's...
Babalik tayo? Babalik?
Iba yung lumilitaw sa amin eh. Kanina, diretso
Yung
instead
diretso.
na mag-right.
Oo. Ano sa inyo? Nagsabi right na?
So, nagpe-prepare lang kami ng dinner, guys. Rice is cooking. And then, nagpa-fry ako ng fried chicken. I'm frying chicken. So, ito yung dala namin na marinated chicken. Ready to fry.
Wait, are you talking about fried chicken?
Yes.
Yes!
Hungry na kayo?
Fried, yes!
It's actually 6:40. Ayan.
Mom? Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a room tour. So, this is the bathroom. It's a little bit dark. Oh yeah? Oh, by the way, this is the living room. And just so let's carry on. I showed you the bathroom, right? Oh yeah. And then this is the kids' room. Yeah.
You just sleep with us na.
Okay. My mom and daddy's room. And I think the bakers are going to be sleeping here. Bye-bye, done.